Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this quick tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy NFTs on crypto.com step by step. Our first step being that you log into crypto.com, or you open up the app and you simply scroll down to where you see NFTs, collect, trade and mint NFTs. You click on that. It loads up all the available NFTs, ranging from the Bored Ape to the Azuki to Bored Ape Kennel Club and some other um, cryptocurrency and some other NFT collections. So our next step is to head over to the marketplace. Once you scroll down, you click on See All. You can as well filter this market space with the filter icon at the top right corner of the screen. You can put it on the recently listed. You can set the price from low to high or from high to low, and you can also set it by the newest coins available. So the categories, music, as you can see, there's the listing types, the price from probably 0.5, okay, probably $1, greater or equal to $1, and the highest, let's say $1.05 or $2. And then you can check the listing price, whether you want it to be an auction or so. The blockchain, if you want it on the crypto.org chain, Polygon, Solana, the curation as well. So now you simply, after setting the price limits and also setting it to newest or recently listed from $1 or so, newest, you click on apply, and boom, we get some Egyptian princess NFTs, which are just listed right now. So you just select an option you're interested in. Let's go with this. You give it some time to load in the NFT. Once the NFT loads up, you simply click on buy for $2. Click on buy. The collectible name, the edition number 10, creator, Keto Ape Yacht Club. Next. We're going to be paying with crypto, 2 USD. Price, okay. Click on pay now. Paste the two-factor authentication code. It says here insufficient balance, but okay, that's on the Chronos. Let's see if we can get our USDC. Well, let's just pay through Ethereum. You click on pay now and you click on confirm. You simply enter your passcode and boom, the order has been placed and we've successfully purchased for 2 USD an NFT, this particular NFT right here. Alright guys, and after purchasing your NFT, you simply head over to the account settings down here, the account section, and then you click on crypto.com NFT. You simply click on this icon, your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you've clicked on it, you click on account activity. Alright guys, and once it's done loading in, you simply head over to purchase history, where you can view your the NFT you just bought and its blockchain and everything about it. So you simply click on it to view the item. You can click on the order. As you can see, this is the NFT. It shows the time, the order number and everything in which we got it. Alright guys, comment down below if you have any questions concerning how we can buy NFTs on crypto.com, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.